Hi guys, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Swadikap. Welcome to NetShow Academy, and today we will show you how to make a YouTube outro. So first of all, we have to go to this canva.com. Go to this search section, type YouTube outro and enter. As you can see, there are many designs ready to use. Choose one of this design. We'll get this. Make it simple, short, reliable. Okay, so here we are with this editing screen, main editing screen. So what we have to do is we have to go to the element option. First of all, this is a font, this is the element. Now we have to go to this element option, click on this, and then we have to choose the element. Click, everything is on click in Canva, as I always says. So let's just pick it and resize it. This is fine, a little bigger. Okay, now this size is good. Click on this and then Command C. Sorry, just wait. Command C and Command V. Make another copy of this. Okay, just make sure the elements are in the safe zones. This is the safe zone. As you can see, this is the safe zone. Have to be on safe zone all the time. Just make it little smaller. So this one also, delete this. Control C, Command V. Okay, perfect, done. So what we have to do is we have to change this color. I want to change the color because I don't like this color anymore. Black. Click on this, click on the color option, black. Done, because the fonts are black as well, so it will look nice. Done. So I'll tell you one more thing. You can also click on this and then change the transparency, which will be like this, because as you can see, the background font, these fonts are transparency is very low in the sense, seriously very low. It's 3, so it will match with this. So done. So just change this also. 50. You can also click here and change the transparency numbers, whatever you like. So here we can change the time for the YouTube outro. I'll make it 10 seconds. Done. Okay, so now this thing is ready, but two things are pending, which is we have to go to the folder option where we have saved our logo. I'll click on this and our logo is here. Make it smaller from the option of this. Done. NetShow is here. Perfect. So now what we have to do is we need the music. Click on this music option feature. I'll select any of this music randomly. Okay, then now I'll go to the preview. This is the preview, so it will look like this when your YouTube video will end. Okay, so this is the YouTube outro. Or if you want to put your another small logo, which is NS, our channel is NS. Okay, so NetShow small logo is this. Sorry, Control Z. Click on here and make it smaller. This we have to lock, otherwise this moves all the time. Lock this from here. This subscribe font is locked. Now this will not move anymore. Okay, this is in the center. Okay, now you can see this pink color safe zones. Okay, so we have to make sure everything is in the safe zone. Done. So YouTube outro is ready. You can see one more time. This is the YouTube outro. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you like our work, do hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment on comment box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.